Same ones, day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you, all dreams they come true. Stay down till the end, need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make M's, no time for fake friends. Too many people be calling my phone, but I never be picking it up. Got everyone that I need in my circle, I never be going and switching it up. Rockin' with the people who been following me when I never thought it would've happened, and I never got love. Now they wanna piggyback on everything I got, I never knew one from the bottom, but now I've had enough. Please stay away, find a new hobby, cause you've been too close to my personal space. Don't make me call out your names, but I'll go there and you gonna make me put you in your place. I'm trying to put my whole crew in a wraith, came a long way from that minimum wage. Funny how money be bringing out people who never remember the time that they paid. Count it up on my two hands, if you wanna talk I need two bands. I don't play around with no loose ends, and I never wanted no new friends. I keep it real, you can ask the fans.
Alright guys, we're back at it again. We are actually picking up a refrigerator really quick before we get to the big warehouse job in Dallas, in the DFW area. We are actually heading to pick up a fridge, and I'm in the alley. Let me show you how narrow this alley is, because it's very, very narrow. Check this out.
Nothing ain't stayed on my soil, the grass might be greener on the other side, but not for the ones who left me out to dry. I can forget, but I never forget. Money is power, but care about respect. If you've been focused on credit or debit, then I'ma pay you a reality check. Some of the richest be feeling depressed, material shit don't compare to the rest. I move around with my real ones, making memories worth millions. Goddamn, part of the plan, do what I do and I do it for them. 7 a.m. and I'm going to bed, I can't let the competition get ahead. I've been going like I never gotta run, I wanna stop it. I've been thinking about the people who be talking about they love it, and I know I gotta keep on winning, never gonna give in to the negative energy, cause I gotta go and get a foot up. Same ones, day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you, all dreams they come true. Stay down till the end, need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make.
Alright, so here's how we're gonna do it. We got the cable from the truck. We're gonna put the fridge on top and then hook it with the cable. Move it up. Check how strong that cable is. Look at that. Look at that. Push all that tension on there. No, nothing. I was just videoing the tension. Look at that. What'd you think, boss, of our awesome service?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, that's how you pick up a refrigerator. All right, guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed that video. We just finished picking up the fridge. We had those two jobs. We dropped off the 12-yard dumpster. We picked up a quick fridge. It was just a quick video. Just kind of wanted to show you how we dropped off the 12-yard dumpster. And this is just extra credit having the fridge. Over and out, guys. I'll talk to y'all later. Don't forget, guys, if you love these videos, subscribe to the right side. On the left side, check out the other videos. I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye. Johnny, sign off. Peace.